You want a girl with a small waist and the perfect smile, someone who's out every weekday in her dad's new car. If you say she's nothing to worry about, then why'd you close your eyes when you said it out loud? Stupid boy, making me so sad. Didn't think you could change this fast. She's got everything that I don't have. How could I ever compete